In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up and use two of the most powerful indicators in our trading suite: Quantum Trend and Quantum Smart Tool. We'll also compare the Pro plan and Ultima plan, and take a quick tour through the key indicator settings right inside TradingView. Let's get started. Open TradingView, click the Indicators tab, then scroll down to Invite Only Scripts. To see these indicators in your list, you need to subscribe through our official website shown on your screen. Once you've subscribed, Quantum Trend and Smart Tool will appear instantly in your Invite Only section. Just click to add them to your chart, and the signals will load automatically. First up, the Quantum Trend. This is your go-to precision trend indicator, built for traders who demand clean, clear signals with zero repainting. As soon as you add it to your chart, you'll see long and short arrows generated by a powerful multi-layer filter system. Open the settings and you can dial in the quality of those signals. Flip on strong signals to show only the highest confidence setups. Enable take profit and stop loss zones to plot your profit targets and risk levels automatically. Tweak your take profit multipliers and stop loss ratio, or switch on the Zeus AI filter for an extra layer of confirmation. Quantum Trend is engineered to be fast, reliable, and, most importantly, dead simple to use. Next, the Quantum Smart Tool, exclusive to the Ultima plan. This isn't just another indicator, it's a fully loaded trading system. Right on your chart, you get auto-generated entries, stop loss lines, and up to 3 take profit levels. No guesswork required. But there's more under the hood. A dynamic AI moving average and smooth moving average cloud for trend clarity. Tail trend lines to catch momentum continuations. Crunch boxes that highlight key reaction zones. Reversal peaks to mark potential swing highs and lows. And the power scanner to pinpoint high confluence signals across timeframes. You also get a live trading dashboard. Track your deposit, leverage, open profit, and trade direction in real time. In the settings panel, you can fine-tune sensitivity, adjust take profit and stop loss risk levels, customize every visual element, and even switch between trend following or reversal strategies, all from one place. Pro versus Ultima plan. Let's break down the two plans so you can pick exactly what you need. With the Pro plan at $59.99 a month, you get our core power tools. The AI Quantum Trend Indicator with real-time signals, plus full access to our Telegram and Discord communities. You'll also receive the 7-chapter Ninja e-learning guide, and if you opt for the annual billing, you'll enjoy monthly coaching sessions to keep you on track. Upgrade to the Ultima plan at $119.99 a month, and you unlock everything in Pro, plus the complete Quantum Smart Tool, which includes crunch boxes, the power scanner, and automated take profit and stop loss management. You'll also receive 2 bonus trading PDF guides, our exclusive billionaire strategy, and early access to every new indicator we launch. On top of that, you'll gain entry to private strategy sessions and advanced courses we add each month. If you want smart, repaint-free signals to simplify your trades, start with Pro and use Quantum Trend. If you want the full suite, automated entries, visual setups, custom dashboards, and smart filters, go with Ultima and unlock the Quantum Smart Tool. To get started, head over to our official website shown on your screen now, choose your plan, and we'll activate access directly to your TradingView account. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy trading.